We're in 3rd grade MyMath. We're going to work on pages 43 and 44 today. Page 43. Problem solving continues. Apply the strategy. Solve each problem by using the 4-step plan. The table shows the number of play tickets 4 friends sold on Saturday. Luis, 10 plus 7. Malcolm, 14. Bobby, 20 minus 5. Shelly, 19 plus 2. Write the number of tickets sold by each friend in standard form. Then order the numbers from greatest to least. So what do I need to do first is go back to our strategy. What facts do I know? I know that there's 4 friends and they each sold tickets. What do I need to find? I need to find these answers in standard form, make a plan. So I'm going to add them up. So I'm going to do Luis, L-O-U-I, 10 plus 7, and that is 17. I'm going to plan to solve these facts. Malcolm, 14, and I'm just going to write that 14 in standard form. Bobby, 20 minus 5 is 15. Sorry, that's a 1. And Shelly is 19 plus 2, which is 21, okay? So what I need to find is ordered from greatest to least. So I need to find the greatest number, and the greatest number is 21. So first we wrote them in standard form, and then we're going to order them from greatest to least. So 21 is greater. What's next? 17 is greater. 15 is greater. And the least number was 14. And we could attach names to these as well. So we could say Shelly, she sold the 21. Luis sold 17. Bobby sold the 15. And Malcolm sold the 14. So does it make sense? Well, yes. If I look at this chart, that's 14, 17, 15, and 17. I'm sorry, 21. 19 plus 2 is 21. That one's 17. So this makes sense because we know that 21 is bigger than 14. Cameron and Mara walked 2 blocks, and then they turned the corner and walked 4 blocks. If they turned around now and returned home the way they came back, how many blocks will they have walked altogether? So what do I know? I know that they walked 2 blocks, and then they went and they walked 4 blocks. And I also know if they turned around and returned home, it'd be the equal amount. How many blocks would they have walked all together? What do I need to find? I need to find this plus this again to get all together. So I'm going to draw a picture. They walked 2 blocks, 1, 2, and then they walked 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if they turned around, they're going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. They're going to walk those again. So now I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're going to turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know it's going to be 6 plus 6. That's my plan. If I add those up, I get 12 blocks all together. Does that make sense? Yes. If I walk 2 blocks this way, 4 blocks this way, if I turned around, I'd walk 4 blocks this way and 2 more blocks. So it'll be 6 plus 6. Number 3, use math tools. Follow the directions to find the corner height of the CN Tower in Toronto, Canada. Start with 781 feet, add 100, add 1,000, subtract 7 tens, add 4 ones. Okay, so 781 plus 100 equals 881, plus 1,000 equals 1,881, minus 7 tens would be 1,811, and then add 4 ones, 1,815 feet. In 1,000 years from now, what year will it be? What year will it be 100 years from now and 10 years from now? So we're in the year 2020, and in 1,000 years, it'll be 3,020. In 100 years, 2,020 plus 100 would be 2,120, and 2020, in 10 years, it'll be 2030. Page 44. Review the strategies. Blue number cubes represent hundreds, and red number cubes represent tens. Write the standard form for each person's set of number cubes. So we need to remember that the blues are hundreds and the reds are tens. So I'm going to just write H underneath all the blues and T underneath the tens so I don't forget. Okay, so I'm going to count my hundreds first. 800 and 500 would be 1,300. And then I have 110. So no, there's no more hundreds there because they turned into, 10. 1,300 and 110. I wrote that a little sloppy. Let me write it again. 1,310. 1,310. Put a comma. Sorry about that one. Okay, 100, 100, and 10. 700 and 500 is 1,200, so 1,200. And we have 4 tens, so 40. This one here, 800, 600, that's 1,400, which is same as 1,400. And then tens, I have 20 here and I have 50. So 20 and 50 is 70, 7 tens. There we go. Order these numbers from greatest to least. So we need to find the biggest. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 300, 200, 400. So 1,470 is greater. Next, 1,310. And the next is 1,240. Plan your solution. 2 students traveled during their summer vacation. Tina traveled 395 miles. Carl traveled 29 more miles than Tina. How many miles did Carl travel? So let's think. We know Tina traveled 395 and Carl traveled 29 more. So we're going to add 29 for Carl. So to add these up, 9 and 5 is 14. So I'd have a 4 in the ones place, and I'm going to put that 10 here. 9 and 1 would be another, that'd be a 120. So there's the 20, and there's my 100. And so I have 424 miles for Carl. A group of hikers traveled to the Adirondack Mountains. To the nearest 10, about how many feet did they hike if they climbed the Big Slide Mountain and Algonquin Peak? I'm going to let you look at this chart here and solve this problem on your own. And then if there's a difference, round to the nearest 100. Use greater than, less than, or equal to explain. Good luck.